Hi guys, I will teach you Tomcat configuring on Eclipse. I will use type 1 driver as well as type 4 driver for configuring, and I will post an value to an database. I will show you an example how it works. Firstly, I will explain how type 1 driver works. We have here MySQL and Java application. In between we use something like ODBC driver, which will react as a interface between our Java application and MySQL driver. No, sorry, MySQL database. We will post some SQL command and to an database with the use of ODBC driver. Firstly, we will create an DSN. I have created earlier as Nick DSN. I will post an SQL command to an Nick DSN. This Nick DSN will take care and communicate with MySQL for a connection and post them into MySQL. This is what all about type 1 driver, and I will use as well as type 2 driver in Java application, that is my written JSP file, that is database queries or SQL commands. I will post directly to the MySQL without use of any operating system. In type 1 driver there is a use of full help of operating system. It is a platform dependent. Here we see DSN we create, but in type 4 driver, JDBC type 4 driver, we will not use any DSN. We will use one jar file to communicate with MySQL, that is here. You have to download from Oracle website called MySQL Connector Java 5.1.8 or any version, that is jar file. Copy that and paste into the Eclipse under web content library file. I have pasted here earlier. I have created a dynamic web project. Under that, under web content, my files are there called employee, and this is my design, and this is my JSP file. Really the database database related values should be posted. Those things are written here. Now I show you my database. This is my database, and this database I use to post an value. Firstly, I use type 1 driver. For that, I show you some commands before I proceed. This is the syntax for communicating with MySQL. This is a type 1 driver syntax. I used this here under initi function. Under Java we use init, that is called Java life cycle. Here I use JSP, such that I use JSP init. Under that I'll write these commands here for connecting to the database. And here I have written somehow this will use to post it. Now I will run and show you how type 1 driver and my values will be posted to database. Inserted values successfully. Let me cross verify here in MySQL. Let write select star from EMP. Yeah, here it is. We have posted one row onto the database using type 1 driver. Now I will show you how to use type 4 driver. We have to copy and paste MySQL connector Java 5.1.8 jar file under web content webinf under lib directory. After pasting, we have to copy this command, copy, then paste here. This is what the type 4 driver, which will directly access an database using JDBC driver to an MySQL and localhost of MySQL and port number. This is my database name called payroll and this root as username and MySQL password. Now I show you how can I use it. Sorry, some problem. Yeah. Employee 2, username guru, salary and contact number. Submit query. Yes, I inserted values successfully. Let cross verify once again. Select star from EMP. Yes, here it is. Successfully posting an value to an database. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in next